Hello friends, today we'll be taking an aerial journey covering the Octopus Queen in Nusa Penida. The Octopus Queen is a new bamboo sculpture being built near Broken Beach in Nusa Penida with Indian Ocean as backdrop. The artist of this beautiful art installation made entirely of bamboo is Ketut Putrayasa, and it is described as one of the island's largest and most beautiful bamboo sculptures.